Welcome guys, my name is Albert and in today's video I'm going to be talking to you guys about how you need to demand more respect from women and more. So if you have not already, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos, because on this channel I teach you guys how to become better men and how to improve your interactions with women. Okay, so let's dive right into this topic, right? But before we start going into demanding more respect from women, we have to deal with the main product, right? Which is you. You see, something that I notice as we as men, we always want that 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 gorgeous woman that has all these standards. You know, she cooks, she cleans, she's very feminine. You know, she's submissive, she's cooperative, right? But here's the thing. She's being respectful. But here's the thing that I want you guys to understand. For us to demand such things from women, we as men ourselves, we need to improve ourselves as well. And what do I mean by this? We have three areas that we must improve in: our health, our wealth, and our relationships. Very, very important. When it comes to health, what do I mean? Physical and mental health, right? Mental health. Make sure if you need any sort of therapy or psychological help, get it. Spend each day meditating. Spend each day reading a book that will grow and expand your mind. Okay? Very, very important for a man in this day and age, right? If you want to have principles, this is what you got to do. When it comes to physical health, getting into the gym, being in good physical condition. You don't have to have 22-inch arms, right? Just being in good physical condition, you know? Having a very desirable build, you know? You want to have a shape that is not round, right? So that's health. Secondly is wealth, right? Get your finances in order. Stop living paycheck to paycheck. A man cannot demand respect when he is living paycheck to paycheck. I don't care who you are. When you have money in the bank, trust me, you walk and talk and behave in a different way. Trust me. Okay? When your bills are paid, you walk a different way. When you don't owe debt to other creditors and debtors and having to, pay bills every month, pay off loans, you walk and talk a different way. Okay? When you are focusing on your purpose, whether it's on your career, whether it's finishing school, going to that, trying to get that better job or starting a business, whatever it is, once you start pursuing your goals in life, right? You walk and you talk a different way because you have somewhere that you're going in life, right? So that's wealth. The third thing is your relationships. How are your relationships? And I'm not talking about women. I'm talking about family, friends. Do you have healthy relationships with your family? Do you have healthy relationships with your friends? Do you have a circle of friends that will build you? Remember this quote: iron sharpens iron. If the friends that you hang around with do not contribute anything meaningful to your life, you need to cut them out of your life. Or at least not hang out with them all the time. If you have friends, if all your friends are going nowhere, believe me, for the most part, unless you are someone special, you are going to go nowhere. Okay, so you need to deal with that. Okay, and why do I ask you, and all these three parts, health, wealth, and relationships, why it's so important to have a good balance within all three? None should take priority. You should have a balance of them, right? Whichever one is suffering right now, yes, that should be a priority for you to build them up so that they're all in unison and balance at all times. You should be working on these every single day. Okay, this is very important. Why? Because this will help you build a foundation where it's like you have principles in your life. You know, you don't accept certain things in your life because you know you're building towards your future, right? You understand that the people that you hang around have to benefit you in some way. Why is this so important when it comes to dealing with women and demanding more respect? Why this is very important is because now when you are dealing with women, you aren't going to accept nonsense from them. When a woman disrespects you, you aren't going to just sit there and take it. You are going to open your mouth and say something. When she's late on the date, when she's constantly late, you let her know, hey, look, this is not the way I do things. If you can't show up on time, maybe we should cut this out. Very simple. You're not gonna stay there on a date when she's there on her phone the whole time without you saying anything, right? Because you understand that your time is precious. You're not gonna allow women to manipulate you, to waste your time, to text you things like, can I let you know? Or I will let you know. You're not gonna let me know, okay? I have time on this day. If you want to meet up, let's meet up. You're not going to let women manipulate you with sex. If a woman is not giving you what you want, you cut her out of your life. You don't have to argue with her. You let her know, and if she's not going to comply with it, you cut her out of your life. Why? Because you have to understand that every woman that you let into your life has to be a compliment to your life. Because, like I said in the first part of this video, if you have things that you have going for you, you have goals and visions and things that you are going for, you have a purpose, you have a dream, you have goals in your life that you're trying to reach. You can't have women that are not of high standards, because they will distract you and they will deviate you from your goal. Right? Because you're going to be focusing on a woman. Why isn't she texting you? You're going to be focusing energy on women that are being difficult. Right? But when you demand respect from every single woman that you hang out with, trust me, this will happen. You will start to notice that more women that hang out in your rotation and actually stay, that you actually choose, will actually be women that respect you, women of high interest, women of high quality. This is very important. It's a very important thing. So if you want to demand, if you want to demand high quality, you got to be high quality yourself. It's very simple, right? It's not gonna happen overnight. It's gonna take work. With anything in life, it is going to take work, right? So work on yourself. Become the best version of yourself, so that anybody that comes into your life, you can demand that you can demand a certain level of standard from them, right? Because you can't be an overweight guy living at home with no prospects in life, demanding respect and demanding women of high value into your life. Life doesn't work that way, right? So you have to be the best version of yourself so that you can command that respect. So that if any woman comes into your life, you demand it now. You don't accept that, you need to prove to her that she gives you respect. You demand it, right? So guys, that is the video for today. If you have not already, guys, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notification, hit this video with a like so that it helps us promote this message to more guys out there that need to hear it. If you have any comments for me, let me know, guys. I love interacting with you guys there. I appreciate you guys. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.